My dear wife, it has been many hours since you left my company, and I fear I have taken a turn for the worse. With the presence of the China virus in our lives, it's only safe to assume that I am now Kung Flu fighting. My only hope is that you return with great haste with the cold cure of our people, ginger ale and Campbell's soup. Although, I may be far too weak to handle the chunky kind. Without these provisions, I fear I only have a 99.6% chance of survival. I hope to see you again, milady, and soon. Sincerely, your loving husband.
Come and get them!